Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is the fourth video in our VMware series. So far, we've installed Windows 10, Ubuntu, and Linux Mint. Today, we're moving on to Kali Linux, a powerful Linux distribution used for ethical hacking and penetration testing. Let's get started. First, we need to visit the Kali Linux website. Previously, we have been using ISO files, but today we're going to download the actual virtual machine and import it into VMware. Click on Virtual Machines, and then you're going to click here to download it. After the download is complete, the next step is to extract or unzip the file. Just right-click, and then select Extract All. And then extract. This is going to take some time, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. Once it's extracted, open VMware. Here we're going to select Open Virtual Machine instead of creating a machine. And then you're going to browse and find the extracted file. There's no need to go through the new machine wizard since this VM is already pre-configured. Here you can see the default username and password are already set up for you. The network type is also pre-configured as NAT, so there's nothing to change. Click on Power on this machine. Hit Enter here. Now, before I enter my username and password, I need to change my keyboard layout. I can go up here, click this, and select Swedish. And then log in with the default name and password, which is Kali. Once on the desktop, open the terminal so we can run some basic setup commands. In most cases, VMware Tools and NetTools are already installed, but let's double check. And it already has VM Tools. And also NetTools. So let's just run the update and upgrade. And now upgrade. Y for yes. This is going to take some time, so I'm going to pause the video again. And that's it. Kali Linux is now installed and ready to use in VMware. In the next video, we'll connect our VMs together to form a virtual network for communication and practice. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.